to adopt those bulbs. Now I'm only going to be adopting 2, even though that was a 3 fixture light. One of the bulbs that I had in there was the Hue Light from the single bulb fixture that used to be there. So let's see. What is it that we need to do? I think it's been a while since I've done this, but let's go into settings, lights, plus. So this should add. Let's just do search. We'll see if we can find them automatically. Okay, I found one of the lights. Let's see if it finds the other one. Okay, I found 2 lights. So here we're going to go ahead and continue. So we need to rename this room altogether. So now I need to rename the bulb. This is glowing purple so that I know this is the bulb that it's talking about. Now we're going to call this a rec room. Rec room. We'll call this one number 3. And let's see, what are our options here? So it's in a ceiling fan. And I don't see that they have a ceiling fan in here for an option. Nope, they don't. Let's see, from ceiling. I don't know. We'll just say it's in a spotlight. Okay, next light. Call this one Rec Room 2, and this one is glowing kind of a blue purplish color to let me know that it's there. And once again, we're going to say that it's in the ceiling. I'll just select, I don't know, spotlight of some type. And now we need to assign it to a room. We're going to put it in this room. Okay, so this is click and drag. Drag each one of the lights to a room. Why can't I drag them? Okay, here we go. I had to click to select them. And then if I select a room, okay, it's not a drag motion. You select the lights and you select the room. Okay, that's it. Those lights are now set up. We're not going to get into why I call one of those lamps what it is. But that's all you need to do in order to set these lamps up. So I have 2 more lights that I need to get set up in another room. So I'm going to go somewhere and repeat this process.